So let's solve this one. Exercise, evaluate each of the following. So for number 1, limit of 6x cubed plus 4x squared plus 5 as all over 8x cubed plus 7x minus 3 as x approaches to infinity. So in solving limits at infinity, so we know that limit uh, as x approaches to infinity, so 1 over x is just equals to 0, right? Because infinity is a big number, so 1 divided by a big number, let's say 1 million, is just equals to 0.00, so approximately equals to 0. So for this one, we'll find the big we'll find the x variable in the denominator has a big exponent. So for this one, the big exponent is this one, x cubed. So we'll copy. So we'll just erase. So we'll just to solve this one, we'll just divide it by its bigger exponent number on the denominator, both numerator and denominator. So x cubed, 4x squared divide x cubed, 5 over x cubed, so all over 8x cubed all over x cubed plus 7x all over x cubed minus 3 all over x cubed. So after this one, we will factor out. So limit as x approaches to infinity. So we'll cancel x cubed here, both sides. So the remaining will be 6 plus we'll cancel x squared. The remaining will be 4 over x minus 5 over x cubed. The same thing in the denominator. So we have 8 plus 7 over x squared minus 3 over x cubed. So after this one, we will now uh, apply the limit of as x approaches to infinity. 1 over x is just equals to 0. So after this one, we will have 6 plus 0 minus 0. So it's just okay to will not uh, write limit, right? So sa for denominator, we have 8 plus 0 minus 0. So why it is 0? Because it has a denominator of x in this term, in this term, in this term, and this term. So we have, for simplification, so 6 over 8. So 6 over 8. So we'll divide both sides by 2. So we have, so the answer is 3/4. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 3/4. So answer is 3/4. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 3. So let's proceed to number 3. So limit of 4x plus 5 all over x squared plus 1 as x approaches to infinity. So let's answer this one. So first step is to pick the highest exponent of x in the denominator. So this uh, the highest exponent is 2 and it is x squared. So we'll have limit as x approaches to infinity. So 4x all over x squared plus 5 all over x squared all over x squared. So all over x squared, so we'll divide both numerator and denominator by x squared. So simplifying by simplifying this one, so limit as x approaches to infinity, so we'll have 4 over x plus 5 over x squared, 5 over x squared all over 1 plus 1 over x squared. So by applying the limit, so x approaches to infinity is just equals to 1 over x is just equals to 0. So 0 plus 0 all over 1 plus 0. So by simplifying, we have 0 over 1 plus 0 just equals to 1. So 0 divided by 1 is just equals to 0. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So for number 3, the answer is 0. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to number 5.